In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control League of Legends camera angle. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can make the change quickly and actually feel the difference while you play. Start by getting into a game, and the easiest and safest place to do this is the practice tool. Loading into a low-pressure environment gives you space to experiment without worrying about your rank or teammates. Once you're in, open the in-game settings. This is the control center for all your visual and input preferences, and making changes from inside a match ensures you can immediately see how they affect your gameplay. Next, head over to the camera section. This is where League lets you decide how the camera behaves around your champion. Look for the option labeled Camera Lock Mode. This setting controls what the camera does when it's in a locked state, meaning it follows your champion rather than letting you freely pan around. Different lock modes adjust how tightly the camera tracks you and where your champion sits on the screen. For example, some modes keep your champion dead center, while others shift your champion slightly to give you more vision in the direction you're moving. If you often feel like you're not seeing enough of what's ahead, a mode with an offset can be helpful. If you prefer predictability and a consistent view, a centered option might feel more comfortable. Select the camera option you want to test. Don't worry, this isn't permanent. You can switch back and forth as much as you like until it feels right. After you pick your preferred mode, make sure to hit save. This applies the change immediately. Once it's saved, return to your match and move your champion around to get a feel for the new behavior. Pay attention to how the camera tracks you when you roam, chase, or retreat. If the view feels too tight or not informative enough, go back to the camera settings and try a different lock mode. The goal is to find a setting that supports your decision-making without making you fight the camera. That's really all there is to it. By testing your camera lock mode inside the practice tool, choosing the behavior that matches your playstyle, and saving your selection, you'll have a camera setup that helps you see more, react faster, and stay focused on the action. If you ever want to refine it later, just revisit the same setting and adjust as needed.